it look easy. I make it look easy. I make it look easy. Don't think you're ready for this.
Ladies and gentlemen, ascenders, welcome to the night where everything changes. We are about to witness the beginning of a whole new era.
At ihanda na ang sarili for a magical night here at the Ascendra International Grand Lawn.
I'll make it look easy. I'll make it look good. No doubt about it. It's understood. I'll make it look easy. I'll make it look good.
Welcome, Ascendra International! Amen, amen! Makatugtog ang buong Pinoy Center! Grabe, talagang very exciting kasi ibang-iba talaga ang era na pinapakita ni Ascendra. Kaya tonight, Karen, there will be a lot of stories that will move you and inspire
Make
everyone.
it look easy. I'll make it look good. I'll make it look good. No doubt about it. It's understood. It's understood. I'll make it look easy. I'll make it look good. I'll make it look good. All eyes on me, just like it should. I'll make it look easy. I'll make it look easy. I'll make it look good. I'll make it look good. I'll make it look easy. I'll make it look easy. I'll make it look good.
Grabe! Welcome to the era of Ascendra. Iba talaga kapag nakikita natin sabay-sabay yung gusto nating mga buhay na gusto nating i-live. Welcome to your new world, Ascenders. I am Ascendra! Welcome to your Ascendra experience.
Ang Ascendra International, even before our day one, start up pa lang, ngayong day one, we will give you out your daily payout. Dito, ang trabaho natin, ang commitment natin, ang mission natin, yung value na deserve ng mga naniwala sa atin. And that is why your wish in Ascendra is our command.
Whatever it takes, ipagtatanggol ko to. Kasi itong kumpanyang to ang nagbigay sa akin ng hope. Itong kumpanyang to ang literal partner natin sa pag-asenso. Kaya maraming salamat po, Ascendra International. Thank you so much!
I'm in the air, you still walking, let's go.
Hello everybody. Thank you for inviting us. We are proud to come to here. Manila, we love you.
We actually have the best salmon oil in the world. It's the best not only salmon oil, but we believe the best fish oil in the world. We are one ingredient and the best ingredient at that.
And not all food supplements can be Omega Life, okay?
And I think we all are here to committed. We are not just selling something, we are selling the best product to our customers.
Kaya kung ready ka nang simulan ang panibagong chapter mo dito, tara na sa Ascendra International. Kasi kami ang partner mo para paghahintayin natin ang storya mo ngayon.
I can take you where you wanna go. Drink up, bring diamonds, me and my homies.
From one day to day one, pag naging legacy partner ka, magiging part owner ka mismo ng Ascendra International. Nasa harapan niyo po ngayon ang nangarap 23 years ago na magbago buhay. Hindi lang buhay ko nagbago, ang daming buhay pa ng ibang tao ang nagbago dahil sa desisyon kong baguhin ang buhay ko. Yung mga nandito ngayon sa Ascentra na lumalaban, nangangarap para sa pamilya nila, sisiguraduhin namin kayo, nandito kami hanggang hindi nyo nakukuha mga pangarap nyo sa buhay at pamilya nyo.
Nandito na tayo ngayon, grand launching. Officially, I declare that this is our day one. There's a long road ahead, but we believe that if we work together as a team in Ascendra, we will make history together.
We are here to help you grow. We have the technology to build your business everywhere. Kaya mga kaibigan, let's all ascend together. Good evening to each and every one of you. Turbo!